Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. You're listening to AI with Shaily, your trusted source for the latest breakthroughs blending artificial intelligence with cutting edge technology. I'm Shailendra Kumar, here to unpack another fascinating advancement fueling innovation in both medicine and aerospace. Imagine trying to carve ultra hard, next gen titanium alloys so precisely that they're ready for life saving implants or high performance aircraft parts. Sounds like sculpting diamonds with a spoon, right? Well, researchers have just made this Herculean task feasible by combining AI with micromachining, specifically micro-electro-discharge machining, UEDM, if you want to impress at your next nerd dinner. They focused on a titanium alloy known as Ti-29 NB13 Ta 4.6ZR, or TNTZ for short, a biocompatible metal that's a real game changer in implants thanks to its strength and safety inside the human body. The problem? When you micromachine such tough material, the electrical and thermal effects are a tangled mess, making precise control a nightmare. Until now, by applying machine learning algorithms, the team cracked the code behind how different machining settings affect the surface quality and microscopic features. For example, cranking up the discharge energy means bigger craters but also messier surfaces. And surprise, some material from the tungsten tool actually jumps onto the alloy's surface. Who would have thought? This AI guided insight means manufacturers can now fine tune UEDM settings with confidence, reducing costly trial and error runs. For patients, that's safer implants. For aerospace, more reliable components that handle extreme conditions. It's like having a smart assistant whispering, "Try this setting, trust me, right next to the machine." Here's a bonus tip for all you makers and engineers. When working with challenging materials, don't underestimate the power of combining empirical data with AI predictions. This duo can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. So here's a question for you. If machines can learn this much to refine something as intricate as micromachining titanium, what other impossible manufacturing hurdles could AI help us leap over next? As Leonardo da Vinci once said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and AI is helping us simplify the complex world of manufacturing like never before. Stay connected with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium for more AI insights. Don't miss out. Subscribe for your weekly dose of AI news and share your thoughts in the comments. What machining challenges fascinate you most? Let's spark a conversation. Until next time, this is Shailendra Kumar signing off from AI with Shaily, where artificial intelligence meets real world breakthroughs.